How to clean peace lily leaves properly. Have you ever noticed that your peace lily leaves look dusty, dull, or less vibrant than before? Maybe your plant is healthy, but the leaves do not look as beautiful as when you first brought it home. You may be wondering, should I clean my peace lily leaves? How often should I wipe them? Can cleaning help my plant grow better? The answer is yes. Cleaning peace lily leaves is a simple but important part of plant care. Dust and dirt can build up on the leaf surface over time, making the plant look less attractive and reducing its ability to absorb light efficiently. In this video, we will learn why cleaning peace lily leaves matters, the best methods to clean them safely, and common mistakes to avoid. 1. Why should you clean peace lily leaves? Peace lily has large, beautiful leaves that naturally collect dust. Indoor plants are especially affected because there is no rain to wash away dirt like in nature. A layer of dust on the leaves can make the plant look dull, reduce the amount of light reaching the leaf surface, block tiny pores on the leaves, make it harder to notice pests or problems. Clean leaves allow your peace lily to look healthier and make it easier for you to observe changes. A clean plant is also a more beautiful plant. Number 2. How often should you clean peace lily leaves? There is no exact schedule for cleaning leaves. It depends on your home environment. In areas with more dust, you may need to clean your peace lily more often. A simple routine is, check the leaves every few weeks. Clean when you notice visible dust. Pay extra attention to large leaves. Do not wait until the leaves become covered with dirt. Regular light cleaning is easier and safer for the plant. The best way to clean peace lily leaves. The safest method is simple. Use clean water and a soft cloth. Follow these steps. First, support the leaf gently with one hand. Then, use a soft, damp cloth to wipe the leaf surface. Move from the base of the leaf toward the tip. Clean both the top and bottom sides of the leaves. Be gentle because peace lily leaves can be easily damaged. The goal is to remove dust, not to scrub the leaves. Number 4. Can you wash peace lily leaves with water? Yes, water is usually the best option. You can gently rinse the leaves with clean water if your plant is small enough. A light shower can help remove dust from both sides of the leaves. After rinsing, allow excess water to drain. Let the leaves dry naturally. Avoid placing the wet plant in cold air. This method is especially useful when many leaves need cleaning. Number 5. Avoid using leaf shine products. Many people want their peace lily leaves to look extra shiny. However, commercial leaf shine products are usually not necessary. These products can sometimes block the natural leaf surface, attract more dust, interfere with normal plant processes. A naturally clean leaf already has a beautiful appearance. Healthy leaves do not need artificial shine. Number 6. Cleaning leaves helps you find problems early. Cleaning your peace lily is also an opportunity to inspect the plant. While wiping the leaves, look for yellow leaves, brown spots, black areas, pests, sticky residue, unusual changes. Finding problems early makes them easier to solve. Regular observation is one of the best habits for every plant owner. Number 7. Check the underside of leaves. Many beginners only clean the top surface of leaves. However, the underside is also important. Pests such as spider mites or small insects often hide underneath leaves. When cleaning, gently check leaf veins, leaf edges, the area where leaves connect to stems. This simple habit can help you discover pest problems before they become serious. 8. Common mistakes when cleaning leaves. There are several mistakes to avoid. Using rough materials. Paper towels or rough cloths may scratch delicate leaves. Use a soft cloth instead. Wiping dry dust aggressively. Dry dust can scratch the leaf surface. Lightly dampen the cloth first. Cleaning too frequently. Constantly touching leaves is unnecessary. Clean when needed. Using chemicals. Household cleaners can damage leaves. Only use clean water or plant-safe products. Number 9. Cleaning after pest problems. If your peace lily has had pests, cleaning becomes even more important. Gently wiping leaves can help remove dust, small insects, pest residue. However, cleaning alone may not completely solve a pest problem. You still need to identify the pest and use the appropriate treatment. Clean leaves simply make plant care easier. Number 10. A simple peace lily leaf care routine. Keeping leaves beautiful does not require much effort. A simple routine. Check leaves regularly. Wipe dust with a soft, damp cloth. Remove damaged leaves. Inspect for pests. Keep the growing environment clean. Small habits create big improvements over time. Your peace lily will look healthier and you will notice problems sooner. Conclusion. Cleaning peace lily leaves is a simple step that can make a big difference. Remember, use clean water and a soft cloth. Be gentle with the leaves. Clean both sides when possible. Avoid unnecessary chemicals and leaf shine products. Use cleaning time to inspect your plant. Healthy leaves are the foundation of a beautiful peace lily. With regular care, your plant can maintain its fresh green appearance and continue growing strong for many years. Thank you for watching Plants Every Day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple indoor plant care tips. Be sure to explore our Peace Lily Leaf Problems and Care playlist for more easy guides on keeping your peace lily leaves healthy and beautiful. See you in the next video. Happy growing!